Fighters, today we're going to talk about what to do when you are slow in your business. Right now it's winter time. The economy might be knocking you in the nuts. All right, there's a slowdown. Whatever the situation is, however you got here, you're here now. Today on Contractor Fight TV, I'm going to share with you how to make the most of this time so that you can come out on the other end winning. Let's go. All right, listen, before we get into this, I want to talk business basics with you. If you're slow right now, it's probably because you're not doing some of the things you need to do in your business that are fundamental thingies, all right? And I want to make sure that you know about and have access to our foundations course. If you go to thecontractorfight.com/foundations, guys, you will find 6 modules with 11 videos, 2 bonus modules with 3 more videos, and a total of 19 downloads to help you get your head right, your money right, your business right, so that you ain't in this situation again. All right, now let's get on with what we got to do here. So first thing, my friends, if you find yourself in a slow season, a slow time of your business, you got to embrace the truth. All right. No sense beating your fucking self up over this, but just go, all right, I've slowed down. Acknowledge the truth. Then ask yourself, why? Why did I slow down? Now, I will say one thing here. You're not a victim. Yes, there are natural ebbs and flow of demand in the industry and this and that, but if you're slow and dead in the water, it ain't the economy's fault. It's not the president's fault. It's not the weather's fault. It's your fault. And the faster that you embrace the truth, tell yourself the truth, the better off you're going to be. All right. So maybe you took your foot off the gas this year, like so many of you do. You got busy. You didn't market. All right. You didn't build your brand. Guys, accept it and move on. Second thing, before I give you 3 things that you can do in the winter or in the slow season, is you need to commit to winning. You need to commit to winning. In fact, I hate losing more than I like winning. So maybe commit to not losing. I don't care, whatever works for you. But guys, this slow time is here. It's going to pass. The days are going to go by no matter what. What are you going to do with the time? You're going to come out on the other end of this time, and you need to choose to win these moments for good and cast your vote for who you want to be on the other side of this with each moment instead of tapping out and being this situation's little bitch. All right? You ain't nobody's little bitch. So, 3 things you can do. 3 things you could do during your slow season to make this a win. Number 1, get your systems in order in your business. How many of you have been like, man, I need systems. I don't have systems. My systems suck. Well, number 1, you have systems. They're just probably not intentional. They're not efficient. They don't make any sense. So if you don't have any systems in place, from how you market your business to how do you field a lead to how you set up a project and communicate the scope and how do you invoice and all these other things, get your team together, get your right-hand people together and sit down. Take one of these. This is crazy. This is called a pen. All right? Or is it, as we call them in the Marine Corps, an ink stick. Okay? This is an ink stick. Take an ink stick. And there's another thing called a notepad. See, you take a blank piece of paper and an ink stick, and you write down the system that you want to create and refine. And here's what it is. And this is coming from the most non-system minded oriented person on planet Earth, which is why everybody in my company behind me is kick ass at this shit. All right. But what I do is I sit down and I go, what system do I want to work on? Next thing I answer is, what do I want the outcome to be? Next thing is I go, let's map out the steps to get there. All right. And then let's implement the steps. And then down the road, let's review and go, what needs to stay? What needs refining? What needs to go? Get your team around this and make it happen. Quit fucking complicating this system shit, you guys. Second thing you can do during the slow time, for God's sake, is build your brand. Create some content. All year you've been putting it off, blowing it up. I don't have time. Yeah, you have time. You're just playing with yourself on Pornhub at 1 in the morning and then binge watching Netflix. Okay, that's what you're doing. So don't give me this shit you don't have time. But guess what? You have time now. So, for 2 or 3 hours a day when you're not playing with yourself online, you can actually spend some time each day right now where you're sitting around with your thumb in your ass. That did not follow well with what I just said about playing with yourself, by the way. But anyway, it is what it is. You're sitting around, you're doing nothing. Create some fucking content. Write the blog posts, shoot some videos, write some emails for your database that can go out, auto-respond to email type things on your website. Guys, work on you building your brand. Build some relationships, okay? You have plenty of time to do that right now. Third thing you could do is work your database. Your database. Now, first of all, if you don't have a database, a CRM, get one. Don't put in the comments. No, I'll tell you, there's going to be a smart ass who does this. All right. So fuck you in advance. All right. But don't type in the comments, which CRM should I use? I don't fucking care. I don't care. Use the one that you're going to use that's going to add value to your business and make shit easier for you to keep track of your shit. Okay? I don't care. It's like asking me what brand of toothbrush you should buy. I don't fucking care. Use the one that you're going to use so your breath doesn't fucking suck. All right? So, I don't know what to do with myself sometimes. But guys, work your database. Hey, Joe, it's Tom. Yeah, we did that project for you last year. Yeah, man. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to you too. Yeah. Hey, listen, I was just calling to thank you for having us out to do the project last year, man. Hope all's well. How's the garage looking? Or how's the project looking? Good? Yeah? Awesome, man. Thanks. Bye. Okay? Or send an email. Or send a text. Or send a video. Okay? Work your database. Stay in contact with the people that you worked your ass off to get their contact info and to do business with you. Or if they didn't do business with you, maybe you were the company they didn't hire this time, but you're still marketing them. You're still working the database. All right? Should have some email marketing going out on a weekly basis to them, adding value. Don't just go buy my shit because I'm slow now. It's, hey, here's some tips for this with your project. Here's something you can do with this. Here's how to properly set up a ladder if you're going to take down your own Christmas lights this year. Okay? And you do a fucking video and you send it out and you add value to people. All right? Fourth thing you can do. I think I said there was 3, but I added another one. Network. Join a BNI group, a networking group, a chamber of commerce. Join something. Start your own fucking group. I don't care. Build relationships. You have nothing but time. What the hell are you doing? All right? I can't tell you how many hundreds of thousands of dollars of contracts I signed between the 26th of December and the 31st of December because instead of sitting around on my ass, I went to visit offices of GCs and home builders and remodelers, and guess who's in the office? The owner's there because everyone else has a fucking week off, and he's the owner because he's out there slinging it, busting his ass and hustling, and I walk in and I go, hey, looks like we're the only 2 fuckers working this week. I'm Tom. I paint shit. You build stuff. We should know each other. Okay? Guys, what else are you doing? Seriously. It is beyond me, those people that go, I'm slow, and you're perpetually slow every fucking year. And if I were to just look back at how you spent your time and your focus, your energy, your money, it'd probably be pretty clear that you just don't give a shit about growing your business. All right? So listen. 5th thing, bonus thing. I'm in the bonus mood because it's the giving season. All right? But in all seriousness, guys, use this slow time to create some personal discipline about building a strong you, getting in shape, reading some stuff, consuming things that are healthy for you. If you're watching this channel, I know I give you shit, but I appreciate that. You're doing something positive to get better. Now move your body, get in shape, be more confident. Use this time to get better. All right? There is plenty to do. Bottom line, don't be a lazy piece of shit. Appreciate you. Share, subscribe. Post, share, subscribe, comment, like, send us questions. I don't care. Just do the thing. You guys rock. I got to roll. I'm out.